bit of a hurry. Oh, good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm in a bit of a hurry. There's a new cache popped up about 850 metres from where I live, and I'm going to see if I can be first to find. It's early doors, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning, it's a Friday, and yep, I'm doing this before work. And this one popped up last night on the site, and I thought, I wonder if I can get there and be the first to find. And this will be the first to find I've ever done. So yeah, I'm rushing. 700 metres away. So this isn't going to be a long video. Oh my god, I don't know why is it so important to be the first to find it? Everybody seems to be thrilled with first to finds. It's like when I published my own caches. People were thrilled to be the first to find them. And actually, I've got to admit, I was really thrilled when the first to finds went in. Because at least you know then they can be found too. So yeah, there is something special about that. Anyway, not far to go. You see the traffic's already busy. And what happened with some of my caches was people would do them on the way to work or on the way home from work. And as I say, this one, it only popped up last night. I was going to get up even earlier today and do it. But I've just had one of those really funny nights where I just haven't slept. And then, when I was going to get up, about an hour ago, I fell asleep. Unbelievable. Yeah, and I mean, I've slept for about an hour and a half tops last night. And no, it wasn't excitement. Less than 500 metres. So this cache is actually in a fairy garden. And I took some footage of this when I did a kayaking trip a little while ago, and I noticed it on the other side of the foss, because that's where it is. It's by the side of the river Foss. And I took a load of footage of all these little fairy houses with a view to making a video myself. But it seems somebody has utilised one of them to hide a geocache. What a great idea. The sun hasn't been up long, but just lighting the Minster up over there. 300, well, less than 300 metres to go. I just had to stop and look at that pink bush because it's really pretty. Less than 100 metres to go. I'd just like to point out all these glorious daffodils. They do look really good though, don't they? It's that time of year. Right, here we go. So dotted around in this area, like there, look, and all over there, there are loads of little fairy houses, but we're looking for one in particular. Well, I've found the cache. Question is, am I the first? There's a little diamond inside. It's all looking very promising. I'm the first to find it. Oh, I'm so happy. My first one. Mark this date, 25th of the 3rd, 2022. More than just a cleaner, gets his first to find. Oh yeah. I'll show you around the fairy garden a little bit before I go. I signed it, logged it, popped it back. So I'll just show you a few of these. There's quite a lot on here. I can only show you a few because I am having to now dash home to go to work. Having published 5 caches over the last week or so, can't tell you how delighted I've been when somebody else has been the first to find. But I know how good it feels to be the first to actually find one. I'm really excited and chuffed. So that's my 120th find. Right, good people. I'm going to call that a day. Told you it was going to be a short one. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as, well, you won't have enjoyed it as much as me, because I'm buzzing. What a great way to start Friday. If you have enjoyed this, you know what to do. If you don't like it, you know what to do. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, and then whenever you open up YouTube, you'll get a notification when I've uploaded a new video. Like this one. And you wouldn't want to have missed this one, would you? See, I'm still dashing because I've got to get home now. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Cheerio.